Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, east central Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Wetumpka County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Meade, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Durant, Caddo, Silo, Kinney, Kennethec, Meade, Armstrong, Blue, Eastern Lake Texoma, and Calera. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.